Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Klaviyo event tracking on Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Klaviyo event tracking on Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, navigate to the Apps section. Next, locate and click on the Klaviyo app. Once the Klaviyo dashboard opens, go to the Integrations tab. Here, you will find various integration options. Select the Shopify integration to begin the setup process. If you haven't connected your Shopify store yet, click the Connect to Shopify button. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Once connected, return to the Klaviyo integrations page. Scroll down to find a section labeled Event Tracking. In this section, you will find different event options to enable. Typical events include product viewed, added to cart, and checkout started. Select the events you want Klaviyo to track by clicking the. After making your selections, be sure to save your changes. Now, return to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to Online Store. Click on Themes in the submenu. Find the theme you are currently using and click on Actions, then select Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the theme.liquid file. Open the theme.liquid file and scroll to the bottom of the document. Insert the Klaviyo tracking script just before the closing/body tag. The tracking script can be found in your Klaviyo account under Account and then API keys. Copy the script and paste it into the theme.liquid file. Once the code is added, click Save to apply the changes. To verify that event tracking is functioning correctly, open a new incognito window. Browse your Shopify store and perform actions that trigger the events you've enabled. Return to your Klaviyo dashboard and navigate to the Analytics section. Monitor the event reports to ensure they are being recorded properly. If you see the events reflected in Klaviyo, congrats, you're all set. If any issues arise, revisit the setup steps to troubleshoot. Enabling Klaviyo event tracking will enhance your email marketing capabilities significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.